It's our great honor to award Dr. Barfield as the 2022 recipient of SWHR's Health Public Service Visionary Award. It's also my great privilege to have known Wanda for almost 30 years now. As you heard, she's the director of the Division of Reproductive Health within the National Center for Chronic Disease Prevention and Health Promotion at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And you saw that she is a retired Assistant Surgeon General in the U.S. Public Health Service. Dr. Barfield leads efforts to provide optimal and equitable health to women, infants, and families through improved surveillance and applied public health research during the critical junctures of population health, pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. And she told me that she got into the field originally even as a young student when she volunteered in a NICU because she learned that Black infants had twice the rate of mortality compared to white infants. So I don't know if any of you remember those Barney's commercials. Even then, they knew from a long time ago when children or young people knew that they had a calling. So she had a calling then. You heard already in the video about some of her focus areas that include strengthening strategic partnerships with multiple organizations, and her division currently leads several activities to monitor a variety of health factors, including maternal mortality and severe maternal morbidity, infant mortality and morbidity due to SIDS or SUID and preterm birth, the impact of emerging threats among pregnant and postpartum women and their infants, conditions that we grapple with today, such as COVID-19, disasters, and the opioid epidemic. She also focuses on women's reproductive health issues, such as contraception and teen unintended pregnancy, as well as infertility and assisted reproductive technology. As you heard, she received her medical and public health degrees from Harvard University. She completed her pediatric residency at Walter Reed Army Medical Center. And what is neonatal perinatal medicine? Well, that is taking care of critically ill and premature newborns. In addition to all of her many accomplishments, Dr. Barfield is a professor of pediatrics at the Uniformed Services University. Please congratulate Dr. Barfield and let us honor her work to improve maternal care and outcomes for women and their babies.
I just want to thank the Society for Women's Health Research and Katie Schubert for this incredible honor. And I also have to say that, through these accomplishments, it's really been built on the wings of so many incredible people in my life. And there's just three I want to mention, three incredible women. My mother, Tracy Mayer, my stepmother, Deola Barfield, and my mother-in-law, Gloria Summers. I also need to mention that the division that I work in is filled with incredible people, both men and women, who have the same passion to provide optimal and equitable care. And I just want to also thank them, because there are so many who are really behind me, who lift me up. And lastly, I have to thank three special men in my life. My husband, Joe, my son, Joe, and my son, John, who you saw in the photos. They're incredible young men.